Gentlemen, let me start with a question that might sting. What if I told you the real reason your erections have grown weaker after 60 is not just because you are getting older? What if I told you it is because the very blood vessels inside your penis are slowly clogging, shrinking, and cutting off the flow that once made you feel like a man? This is the hidden truth few doctors will say out loud, and it explains why millions of men lose their firmness far earlier than they should. I am Dr. Mohit Khera, a urologist and professor with over 30 years dedicated to men's health. In that time, I have sat across from thousands of men, fathers, husbands, grandfathers, who felt intimacy slipping away, and I have helped them not only restore their health, but get back their confidence and closeness with the women they love. Here's the puzzle. Most men are led to believe that only pills can solve this problem. Yet those pills are nothing more than a mask. They never fix the circulation, and they never restore the root of vitality. The truth is far simpler, and it lies in everyday foods you already know. In this session, I will reveal 4 natural foods that can literally open your blood vessels, improve circulation, and bring back the intimacy you thought was gone forever. Foods that restore energy, pleasure, and manhood itself. And I promise the first one may be sitting in your kitchen right now. Stay with me, because the list begins shortly. Before we get started, if you haven't already, I encourage you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss important health advice designed especially for men over 60. And if you find this video helpful, type the number 1 in the comments. If you feel it could be better, type 0, so I know how to serve you well. Now let's begin with the truth. Most men never hear, erections don't simply fade because of age. They fade because circulation weakens, and the vessels that once carried blood freely to your penis slowly clog. Understanding this hidden cause is the first step toward regaining strength and intimacy. The real reason erections get weaker after 60, it's not just aging. The real reason erections get weaker after 60, it's not just aging. Gentlemen, many of you have been told a lie that the reason your erections fade with age is simply because you are getting older. Doctors and even well-meaning friends often shrug and say, it's just part of life. But I want to tell you something different, something I have learned over 30 years of sitting with men just like you. Erections are not lost because of age itself, they are lost because of blood flow. When you were 20, 30, even 40 years old, the arteries in your body were clear and flexible. They carried blood easily, filling every vessel, including the delicate ones in your penis. That surge of circulation created the firmness and confidence you remember. But as you cross 60, those same vessels begin to narrow. Plaque from years of cholesterol, inflammation from stress and poor diet, and the simple wear and tear of time build up inside them. The result? Less blood reaches the tissue of your penis, and when the blood supply weakens, so do your erections. I can't tell you how many men have sat across from me, shoulders slumped, embarrassed, whispering that they no longer feel like themselves. Some even fear that intimacy is gone forever. And I look them in the eye and tell them the truth. This is not a loss of manhood, and it is not a death sentence for your intimate life. It is a circulation problem, and circulation can be restored. That is the hope I want you to carry with you, because when you understand that the root cause is blood flow, you also understand that the solution can be found in the choices you make each day. In fact, there are 4 simple natural foods you can find in nearly every grocery store that can open your vessels again, improve circulation, and bring back the intimacy you thought was gone. And in just a moment, I'm going to introduce you to those 4 foods, starting with one that most men walk past in the produce aisle, never realizing it has the power to change their health and their confidence forever. Meet the 4 foods that naturally improve circulation and intimacy. 2. Meet the 4 foods that naturally improve circulation and intimacy. When men come into my office, they often look at me with frustration in their eyes, They tell me they have tried pills, supplements, even strange remedies they found online, yet nothing gives them lasting results. And I always pause, because I know the truth is so much simpler than they've been led to believe. Weak erections are not a mystery, and they are not the punishment of old age. They are the result of poor circulation. If circulation is the problem, then the answer lies in what improves circulation, and that's where food becomes the most powerful medicine you'll ever have. Over the years, I've seen men in their 60s and 70s light up when they realize that the solution doesn't have to come from a prescription bottle. It can come from their own kitchen, from simple foods that restore nitric oxide, relax blood vessels, and bring life back to their arteries. I have watched men rediscover intimacy, not because they spent thousands of dollars on treatments, but because they chose the right foods consistently. It may sound ordinary, but what's ordinary can often be extraordinary when your health is on the line. And this is where the story turns hopeful, because right now, as you sit here listening, the foods I'm about to share with you are probably only a short drive away at your nearest store. They are not exotic. They are not hard to prepare, they are simply overlooked, forgotten by men who were never told their power. Yet these 4 foods, when added into your daily life, can clear your vessels, energize your body, and restore the closeness with your partner that you've been missing. So let's begin. The first food is one that may surprise you. It is earthy, humble, often tossed into salads or roasted on the side of a meal, but inside it carries the very compound your body needs to open blood vessels. This is food number 1, and it could change everything for you. 3. Food number 1. Beets. When I think about the first food on this list, I can't help but remember a patient of mine named Robert. He was 68 years old, a retired engineer, and he came to me looking defeated. He said, "Doctor, I feel like my body has given up on me. I don't have the energy I once had, and intimacy feels like a memory." I asked him about his diet, and when I suggested something as simple as adding beets to his meals, he laughed. He told me, "Beets, how could something that grows in the ground help with something as personal as this?" But Robert trusted me, and within weeks of drinking beet juice in the morning, he came back with a smile. I'll never forget. He told me he was waking up with firmness he thought was gone forever. That is the power of beets. They are rich in natural nitrates, compounds that your body transforms into nitric oxide, and nitric oxide is the very signal your blood vessels need to relax, open up, and allow blood to rush where it belongs. The same pathway that expensive prescription drugs target can be nourished by something as humble as a beet. Every time you eat them, whether roasted, steamed, or juiced, you are essentially feeding your arteries, giving them the ability to carry more life, more oxygen, more circulation, and when circulation improves, so does every part of your health, from your heart to your brain, to your most intimate moments. I've seen it time and again. Men who doubted that food could make a difference find themselves stronger, more vibrant, and closer to their partners, and all it took was introducing this simple vegetable into their daily lives. But beets are only the beginning. The next food on this list doesn't come from the earth. It comes from something far more indulgent, and if you enjoy a little sweetness, you're going to love discovering food number 2. 4. Food number 2. Dark chocolate. The second food on this list might surprise you, because it doesn't sound like medicine at all. In fact, for many men it feels like a guilty pleasure. But I want you to look at dark chocolate in a new way. Over the years, I've seen men who believed they had to give up all indulgences to regain their health. Then I showed them that dark chocolate, real high-quality dark chocolate, could actually become part of their healing. I remember one patient, John, who was 71. He had given up desserts completely, thinking sugar was the enemy of his heart and his waistline. when I told him that a small piece of dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa could improve his circulation. He raised an eyebrow, but after a month of adding just a square each evening, he came back and said, "Doctor, I don't know if it's the chocolate or if my wife is happier, but something is definitely working." That moment reminded me how powerful even small changes can be. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, natural compounds that keep your blood vessels flexible and responsive. Think of your arteries like rubber hoses. When they stiffen, blood struggles to pass through. Flavonoids soften those hoses, relax the lining of your vessels, and encourage better blood flow throughout your body. And when blood flows freely, intimacy becomes easier, erections become stronger, and your confidence returns. It's not about eating candy bars or indulging recklessly. It's about choosing wisely. High cocoa chocolate, with very little sugar. A small piece a few times a week is enough to support your circulation, and even improve mood by boosting brain chemicals tied to pleasure and desire. Chocolate reminds us that health does not always mean sacrifice. Sometimes it means discovering the hidden gifts in the foods we enjoy. And if chocolate feels like an indulgence, just wait until you hear about the next food. It comes from the sea. It's packed with life-giving oils, and it has the power to protect not only your heart but also your erections. 5. Food number 3. Fatty fish. The third food may not sound glamorous, but it is one of the most powerful allies your body has when it comes to circulation and intimacy. I'm talking about fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, and I've seen firsthand how they can transform a man's health. I remember a patient named David, a 65-year-old retired teacher who had spent most of his life avoiding fish. He told me he never liked the taste, and so he filled his plate with meats that were heavy and saturated fat. By the time he came to see me, his cholesterol was high, his blood pressure was climbing, and his erections had grown weaker year by year. I sat with him and explained how omega-3s reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and actually make the blood less sticky, allowing it to flow more easily through his arteries. He was skeptical, but he agreed to try. A few weeks later, David returned to my office with a grin. He told me that after adding salmon to his dinners twice a week, he felt lighter, more energetic, and yes, his erections were noticeably stronger. His wife, he joked, was the happiest of all. That is the quiet magic of fatty fish. They don't just feed your body, they heal it, they calm inflammation that stiffens your arteries, they keep your vessels elastic and responsive, and they help your heart and your manhood thrive together, because what's good for your heart is always good for your penis. I've told countless men this truth: when you nourish your arteries, you nourish your intimacy, and fatty fish are one of the simplest, most effective ways to do it. But if fish seem powerful, wait until you hear about the next food. It isn't a vegetable, and it isn't from the ocean. It's something sweet, refreshing, and found at every summer picnic. Scientists even call it nature's Viagra. That's food number 4, and it may surprise you. 6. Food number 4. Watermelon. The fourth food may seem almost too simple to be powerful. Most people think of it as just a sweet, refreshing fruit for hot summer days, but watermelon carries a secret that very few men know. It contains an amino acid called citrulline, which your body converts into nitric oxide. And nitric oxide, as you already know, is the very spark that opens your blood vessels and allows more blood to flow into your heart, your brain, and especially your penis. That's why researchers sometimes call watermelon nature's Viagra. I remember a man named Frank, 72 years old, who told me he hadn't felt youthful firmness in more than a decade. He had tried pills, but they left him with headaches and didn't feel natural. When I suggested something as simple as eating a cup of watermelon every day, he chuckled and said, "Doctor, are you serious? Watermelon?" But he gave it a try, and a month later, he returned to my office with a spark in his eyes. He told me he felt more alive, that his mornings were different, and his wife noticed the change too. It wasn't just about intimacy, it was about feeling whole again. That is the quiet gift of watermelon. It hydrates your body, protects your prostate with antioxidants, like lycopene, and gently restores circulation without side effects. It is easy, affordable, and available almost everywhere. Too often men overlook it, thinking health must come in a pill or a complicated regimen, but sometimes the most ordinary fruit carries extraordinary power. I've seen enough to know that food truly is medicine. And when you combine foods like beets, dark chocolate, fatty fish, and watermelon, you give your body the tools to reclaim strength and intimacy. But food alone is not the whole story. To unlock the full benefit, you must pair these foods with certain daily habits, simple actions that can either supercharge your results or undo your progress. And those habits are what I want to share with you next. 7. Supporting habits boost the benefits of these foods. Over the years, I've learned that food can open the door to better health, but the habits you live by determine whether that door stays open. I've seen men transform their lives by adding beets, dark chocolate, fatty fish, and watermelon to their diets, but the men who experienced the most powerful changes were those who paired these foods with simple, consistent daily actions. These habits may not sound dramatic, but when you put them together, they act like fuel poured onto a fire, amplifying every benefit the food provides. One of the most important habits is movement. I tell my patients that even a 30-minute walk each day can be the difference between sluggish circulation and vibrant blood flow. The arteries are like pipes, and just as water stays clear when it moves, blood vessels stay healthy when the body is in motion. Another habit that cannot be ignored is sleep. Men sometimes overlook the fact that nighttime erections are the body's natural way of keeping tissues strong and healthy. Without deep sleep, those natural cycles disappear, leaving the tissues weaker over time. Protecting your rest is protecting your manhood. Then there's the matter of what you remove. Smoking and excess alcohol are two of the biggest enemies of circulation. I've had men who gave up cigarettes or cut down their drinking tell me that within weeks they felt lighter, clearer, and more capable in every way. And finally, hydration. Blood is mostly water. When you're dehydrated, blood becomes thicker and slower. A simple commitment to drinking enough water each day keeps your circulation smooth and responsive. When you bring these habits together, walking, sleeping deeply, staying hydrated, and letting go of destructive behaviors, you create the perfect environment for those 4 foods to work their magic. This is how you don't just add years to your life, but life to your years. And now, as we bring all of this together, let me share with you the bigger picture. The message I want every man over 60 to hear and remember. A truth that can change not only your health, but the way you live the rest of your life. Conclusion and emotional closing. Gentlemen, as we come to the close of this conversation, I want to bring everything back to one simple truth. The strength of your erections, your energy, your intimacy, even your sense of manhood. These things do not vanish simply because you've turned 60 or 70. They fade when circulation weakens, when blood can no longer flow as it once did. And if circulation is the root of the problem, then circulation can also be the solution. That should give you hope, because it means you are not powerless. We've talked about 4 foods that can open your vessels and bring back blood flow. Beets with their natural nitrates, sending a rush of nitric oxide through your body. Dark chocolate, which softens your arteries and adds sweetness to both your health and your relationships. Fatty fish, feeding your heart and your manhood with its omega-3s. And watermelon, the simple fruit that experts call nature's Viagra, hydrating your body and rekindling your closeness. These foods are not strange, they are not costly. They are gifts waiting on the shelves of your local market for you to use them. And when you pair them with simple habits, walking every day, getting good sleep, drinking water, and letting go of cigarettes and too much alcohol, the outcome can be amazing. I have met men who believed their best days were behind them, sit in my office, eyes wide with shock, telling me they feel alive again. I have seen wives smile and thank me quietly in the hallway because their husbands found again. not only intimacy, but also confidence, energy, and happiness. Here is my message to you. Do not accept the idea that age has taken your vitality. Begin with one change. Put one of these foods on your plate. Go for that walk. Drink that glass of water. Small steps lead to big change. And remember, the best years of closeness, connection, and health can still be in your future, if you decide to make it happen.